The high-speed hairdryer from Cosy Companions boasts an incredibly powerful motor running at 150,000 revolutions per minute, making it 5 times faster at drying hair compared to standard dryers. Utilizing cutting-edge Ionic technology, this hairdryer releases negative ions to significantly reduce frizz and enhance smoothness, adapting intelligently to different environmental conditions. Equipped with a smart temperature control system, it offers precise heat regulation to prevent heat damage, promoting healthier hair with its intuitive LED temperature indicator. Despite its powerful performance, this dryer operates at a remarkably low noise level of 51 decibels, allowing for a quiet and comfortable styling experience. Weighing only 0.82 pounds, the dryer is ergonomically designed for prolonged use without causing hand fatigue, making it ideal for both salon professionals and personal use. The stylish design and premium craftsmanship of this hairdryer make it not only a practical tool, but also a chic addition to your styling routine.